RA 4136, which states that no motor vehicles shall be used or operated on or upon any public highways of the Philippines unless the same is properly registered. Hence, any motor vehicle plying the public highways which are not registered with the LTO are not allowed to be operated in these places. There is no mistake that EVs, including e-bikes or e-trikes, are considered motor vehicles, which come under the purview of registration with LTO under RA 4136. A motor vehicle is broadly defined as any vehicle propelled by any power than the muscular power that operated on a public highways. Meanwhile, RA 1197 defines an electric vehicle as any vehicle equipped with at least one electric drive or propulsion. Given that this definition, EVs including battery electric vehicles, hybrid plug-in hybrids, and LEVs falls squarely with the definition of motor vehicles when operated on a public roads. Furthermore, considering that at present e-bikes and e-trikes are not registered with the LTO, there's no way that the government will be able to enforce accountability in case of mishaps or accidents or even crimes committed using these vehicles. If the operation of these vehicles will not be regulated, ensuring public safety will be an uphill battle for the government. A registered vehicle allows authorities to verify ownership, establish liability in accident, violation, or crimes, ensure roadworthiness through inspection, and regulate driver and operator behavior. If LEV are allowed in a public highways without registration, LEV operator would fall outside the jurisdiction of transport authorities, comprising the road safety and creating information gaps, a complication that LTO should resolve and avoid at all costs. Yun pong clarification po for December 1, tuloy po yan on a national highway. Na di baling magalit ho kayo sa akin, at least safe pong makakauwi yung mga anak ninyo, asawa ninyo, kaysa naman po maaksidente dahil sa maling paggamit nitong mga EV, e-trikes sa mga national highways.